The new Optimus hand and forearm with 22 degrees of freedom is now moving into production. As many had predicted, the Optimus robot is advancing into its third generation with upgrades that look astonishing. The recent grand opening of the Tesla diner gave the clearest proof yet that Tesla's humanoid robot is entering the last stage of refinement before it is officially offered to customers, or to put it more accurately, before millions of people start placing pre-orders. It is difficult to overlook a robot that can handle a wide range of daily tasks, communicate naturally with humans, and follow commands at a price under $20,000. These numbers completely changed the game, and Elon Musk once again repeated the pricing during the recent event. Welcome to AMP Drive. If you enjoy updates about Tesla, robotics, and the future of technology, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. We just crossed 1,000 subscribers and every single one of you means a lot to us. Because Optimus is so impressive, it has already sparked heated debate over how much autonomy it really has, with some people still suspecting that remote control might be involved. So what exactly is the real story behind Optimus and its remarkable demonstrations? Optimus is Tesla's boldest gamble so far, and Elon Musk is betting a large part of the company's future on this humanoid robot. In a recent post on X, Musk described the upcoming Optimus design, planned for completion by the end of this year, as something very special. Tesla itself confirmed that Optimus has already gone through 3 big design revisions. Its hands alone have been redesigned 4 times in the past 2 years, and even that is still not the final version. Another generation is already in development, and some are calling it Optimus Gen 3.5. If this project failed, the $25 trillion potential market Musk has spoken about would end up as nothing more than another exaggerated dream in the tech industry. That is exactly why the development cannot stop at Generation 2. Tesla's chief executive has now confirmed that Optimus Gen 3.5 will arrive before the end of this year. This version may well be the breakthrough where everything finally comes together in an extraordinary way. So what does it look like when Tesla Gen 3.5 steps into your home? Imagine the robot entering the kitchen like a professional chef. Unlike a human worker, it does not need rest, does not worry about mistakes, and never suffers from fatigue. Its first task is to prepare a traditional dish that many elderly Americans love, the classic apple pie. The most remarkable thing is not just the mechanics, but the vision system. Tesla has equipped Optimus with a 32-megapixel multispectral camera, depth sensors with 0.1 mm precision, and advanced computer vision. Its artificial intelligence processes 1,000 frames per second, allowing it to observe, identify, and analyze information 20 times faster than a human. Instead of relying on fixed molds or tools, Tesla Bot simply looks at the ingredients, studies their shape and position, and then adjusts its mechanical fingers with perfect precision. A slice of fresh apple just a few millimeters thick is cut evenly and consistently with no deviation. This is the kind of breakthrough that many technology experts are now admitting to be real. Tesla Bot is no longer just a rigid industrial machine, but a humanoid assistant that can adapt to real-world kitchen environments with a 99.9% success rate in cooking tests. After finishing preparation, the robot does not move away on rails like traditional industrial machines. Instead, it simply rotates 180 degrees, tilts 45 degrees, and extends its arm by 1.2 meters to begin the next step. The oven is ready, and the Tesla Bot places the pie inside, handling each pie with an average time of only 5 seconds. Its design saves 25% of kitchen space and cuts movement time by 30%, improving efficiency by about 20%. Another major highlight is the ability to work continuously without breaks. This is not just endurance, it comes from Tesla's use of wireless magnetic resonance charging with 95% efficiency. During short pauses when the oven cycle is running, the robot can stand at its charging station where a 10 kilowatt magnetic charging base is installed. While it pauses, energy flows directly into its 4680 battery pack with a capacity of 50 kilowatt-hours, similar to Tesla electric cars that are already being tested with wireless charging in parking areas. 5 minutes of charging gives the robot 4 hours of continuous work. Thanks to this, Tesla Bot can work non-stop, day and night, with up to 96 hours of continuous runtime before requiring any form of maintenance. On Tesla's production line, the bot works side by side with 150 other robotic arms. Unlike older machines that repeat fixed movements, Tesla Bot has already gone through 15 million reinforcement learning cycles, giving it the ability to adapt its actions to the situation. If an apple slice is misaligned by 2 mm, the bot corrects it within a margin of error of 0.1 mm. If a small problem arises, it can stop that task and switch to another in just 3 seconds. This gives Tesla Bot flexibility while maintaining an automatic error handling rate of 98%. Tesla says overall production efficiency with Tesla Bot has gone up by 50%, which means increasing output from 1,000 pies per day to 1,500 pies per day. This improvement does not only come from faster work but also from stability and adaptability. Even the best human chef might still make mistakes at a rate of 2 to 3% because of distraction, fatigue, or stress. Tesla Bot cuts the error rate to under 0.1%. On top of that, remote software updates allow Tesla to improve the skills of thousands of robots at once, just like they do for self-driving car software. Each 50 megabyte update takes only 30 minutes overnight, giving the entire fleet of robots new abilities without extra cost. The business community is paying close attention to the cost. Tesla has revealed that each bot costs about $10,000 to produce with yearly operating costs under $2,000. In comparison, an average chef in the United States earns about $45,000 each year, not including insurance, benefits, and training. One single Tesla bot priced at $10,000 can replace 3 chefs in a kitchen, handling 360 pies in 1 hour. The profit equation is clear. The initial investment is paid back in 4 months, and long-term profits rise by 300% after the first year. Elon Musk has said that Tesla Bot could trigger an economic revolution similar to how the steam engine replaced manual labor during the 19th century. While chefs go home to rest, the Tesla Bot remains in the kitchen, tirelessly working alongside machines, and is ready to continue after only 5 minutes of charging. This is not only an image of technological progress but also raises serious questions for society. When robots can work around the clock at 80% lower labor costs, what role will humans play in kitchens and beyond? Musk himself predicted this era when he said humanity must prepare for a future where robots are not just helpers but the main workforce. So how does Tesla Optimus Gen 3.5 move beyond its competitors? Many have imagined a world where robots live with humans just like in Star Wars. Musk himself has compared Optimus to characters like C-3PO and R2-D2. He believes in the future almost everyone will want one as a personal assistant. At Tesla's 2025 shareholder meeting, Musk confirmed that Optimus can be customized to suit each user, and he announced stunning upgrades. One of the biggest is that Optimus will soon have 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, which Musk showed off by saying it could even play the piano. He emphasized that this design, capable of threading a needle as well as performing delicate tasks, is something truly remarkable. Experts already call Optimus hands among the most advanced in robotics. A human hand can perform about 100 tasks with 27 degrees of freedom, while Optimus with 22 can perform around 70. Demand for humanoid robots like Optimus is expected to rise sharply in the coming decade as more people look for personal assistants in their homes. This is why Musk is so focused on robots beyond electric cars. He even stated that Tesla could eventually build robots for $10,000 and sell them for $20,000, making them far more affordable than anyone expected. Realistically, this price point is more likely by 2028 or 2030, but leasing programs may appear earlier. If Tesla scales production, revenue from Optimus alone could reach hundreds of billions each year by 2028. At first, the robots may look too expensive compared to cars, but like Tesla's vehicles, costs will fall as production grows. Already, Optimus has been tested at Tesla factories where it sorts 46,080 batteries and fixes mistakes autonomously. Musk predicted that by next year, over 1,000 Optimus robots, maybe even a few thousand, will be working in Tesla factories. By 2030, robots could reduce Tesla's workforce by up to 60%, working around the clock with only 5-minute recharge breaks thanks to its 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Another major capability will be natural conversation. Imagine asking Optimus a question and it responds out loud, giving advice in a clear human-like voice. Musk has confirmed that Gen 3 will add microphones and speakers for this. 80% of new units will have the ability to speak, with customizable voices and personalities. He compared it to digital assistants like Siri, but explained that Optimus would surpass them by combining speech with gestures and physical help. It could even sit at a child's bedside to read bedtime stories or act as a tutor. For older adults, this could mean real companionship. However, the recent Tesla Diner event sparked controversy. During the showcase, Optimus robots served popcorn to guests, but many observers believe the demo was not fully autonomous. Reports suggest some actions may have been guided by remote operators. The smooth interactions looked too precise to some analysts, who suspect that while Optimus can walk and navigate, certain voice responses and gestures were remotely directed. Guests noticed unnatural timing in responses and body motions that hinted at outside control. So are you ready for Tesla Gen 3.5? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video on AMP Drive. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next big Tesla update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.